Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty's Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. May Allah protect you from evil eyes. Dear viewers, today I have a special treat for you. A step-by-step guide on creating stunning Christmas decoration using pine cones. Dear viewers, but before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all my festive dive projects. Alright, dear viewers, let's get started. For this pine cone decoration, you will need a few simple items: pine cones, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, glitter, ribbons, and a hot glue gun. So, dear viewers, get ready for achieving a unique designs of the pine cone. So, dear friends, first of all, grab your paintbrush and choose your favorite holiday colors. Painting the pine cones not only adds a personal touch but also ensures they match your Christmas theme. Use the trending colors like rose gold, emerald green, and jumping. Feel free to get creative with the patterns and designs. Geometric shapes and ombre effects are especially popular this season. So, dear viewers, now let's add some speckles, sprinkles, glitter over the wet paint. This step adds a touch of magic to your pine cone decoration, making them stand out. Look at the shimmers, it's like a winter wonderland in a pine cone. You enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more festive dye ideas. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas. So, dear viewers, and there you have it, folks. Beautiful, trendy pine cone decoration, perfect for the holiday seasons. So, dear viewers, don't forget to experiment with the different colors and styles to match your Christmas designs. So, dear viewers, keep watching whole videos completely and share it and thumbs up for my video. Thanks for watching. Take care.